Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use UPBASE for coordinating international student exchange programs, the full 2025 guide. First things first, you'll want to set up your account. You do this by heading over to the UPBASE website, clicking on Sign Up, and filling out the necessary details. This is the foundation for everything else, so it's important to get it right. Now that we've set up your account, it's time to create your program. On the dashboard, look for the Create New Program button. After clicking that, you'll need to input all the details about the program, such as the countries involved, the duration of the exchange, and the number of students. The reason we do this is to give potential participants a clear overview of what they can expect from your program. Next up, we're going to upload all the necessary documents. This could include visa forms, insurance documents, and any other paperwork that students might need. To do this, go to the Documents tab and click on Upload Files. The importance of this step cannot be overstated. It's crucial to keep these documents in one place to simplify the process for both you and the students. Moving on, let me explain why scheduling meetings matters. Under the Meetings tab, you can schedule meetings with the students, their parents, or even the schools involved. This helps us because it allows for clear communication and ensures that everyone is on the same page. Lastly, it's time to launch the program. This is as simple as clicking the Launch Program button. Doing this makes your program visible to students all around the world who are interested in an exchange program. And just like that, you've set up your international student exchange program on UPBASE. This platform, with its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features, will help you manage the entire process seamlessly. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy coordinating.